This is Chapter 10b on enlargements. So there's 3 skills in this one. Enlarging a 2D shape using a scale factor, finding the center of enlargement, and enlarging a shape from a fixed point or the center of an enlargement. So first of all, you need to understand scale factor. It's a number which you multiply or divide by to enlarge, meaning to grow big, or shrink, which means to grow smaller, a shape's dimensions. So in this case, to turn the object to the image, we multiplied by a scale factor of 2. And we'll notice that when we do that, all the angles will stay the same, just that the lengths are doubled. So if you notice this side is 2 tall, now it's become 4 tall. And the image are similar, which means they're the same shape, but they're just a different size. That's what the word similar means. Same shape, different size. So first of all, we need to find the scale factors and work them out. So in the first example on the left side, calculate the scale factor of this enlargement. Now, if you look at the sides that are the same as each other, you notice that 2 turns into 4 and 1 turns into 2. So the scale factor in this case is to multiply by 2. If I happen to be going the other way by chance, you'd actually be dividing by 2. So the scale factor is basically just a 2. To grow it, you multiply it. To shrink it, you divide it. Now in the next example on the right, draw the enlargement of the pink triangle using a scale factor of 3. So at this time, pause and try it. So if we do that, if we notice the shape is 1 tall, 1 times 3, it makes 3. So the new triangle has to be 3 tall. 1, 2, 3. And on the other side, if it's 2 wide, 2 times a scale factor of 3 makes 6 wide. So I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then connect my triangle, and there you go. I have a new triangle that's been enlarged by scale factor 3. They're similar, yet one is larger by a whole factor of 3. Now finding the center of enlargement. Each blue shape is an enlargement of the pink shape. So in this case, this one is supposed to be the pink shape, this little tiny mini one that I am coloring in red right now. Calculate the scale factor. So let's take a look. I'll notice that the width is 1 and the width here is by 2. The height is 2 and the height here is 4. So the scale factor is 2. Find the coordinates of the center of enlargement. Now to do this, what you have to do is you need to take your ruler and you need to connect the same vertices. So I know that this vertex and this vertex and this vertex are exactly the same. So take your ruler and draw a straight line through the graph until you run out of space. Now you need to connect the other corners. So I'm going to connect this vertex with this vertex. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And where the lines cross, that is your center of enlargement. So the coordinates of the center of enlargement in this case is 1, -1. Finally, enlarging from a point. This diagram shows shape A. It needs to be transformed to shape B by an enlargement with a scale factor of 2, so it has to double. And at a center at point C, which is -6, 0. So here's my center of enlargement. So we're going to go the other way now. You have to double it. So what I do to figure this one out is I need to figure out how I travel to each vertice, or to each vertex. To travel to the yellow vertex from -6, 0, I have to move 2 right, 1 up. And since I want a scale factor of 2, I'm going to do this twice. So I'm going to do it one more time. 2 right, 1 up. This is the location of my new image. So I will do this now with this vertex at -1, 1. So I travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right and 1 up. So I will do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 up. Because you have to do it twice since it's a scale factor of 2. If it was a scale factor of 3, you would do that 3 times. For the top vertex, I have to travel 2 to the right, 2 up. 2 to the right, 2 up. That's my new location. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw my triangle. And there you go. That is my new triangle that's been enlarged by a scale factor 2 at the center point of enlargement of -6, 0. And that's it.